Assalamu alaikum guys, how are you? Inshallah today we are going to check a urine sample of a miscarriage woman having a pregnancy positive. You can see in the video. This is urine stiff. There is no sugar but albumin can be seen. So this is the slide of this sample. Sorry for my voice. We are going to check this microscope. What will be there? You will see. Oh, a lot of RBCs can be seen. You can see. We are going to check this slide through another lens. Now you will see this clearly. Oh my god. It's really red blood cell. Oh, calcium oxalate also present. How will you diagnose this woman? Please comment. For more interesting video, please subscribe our YouTube channel. Tomato is the main cause of calcium oxalate. To cause calcium oxalate, 70% there is a chance of calcium oxalate to develop from tomato. You can see now this clearly. Red blood cell and calcium oxalate are very clearly present in this sample.